Marilyn? Saan ang mga tao dito?
Alam, ma'am, hindi ko po alam.
Ay, tatawagan ko nga si Norman.
Where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Ooh, yeah. Tell him if you see him, baby. If you see him, tell him that he should. Why is this beautiful man waiting for me to get over? He already tested my patience. I only see me taking down with other women that ain't me, but I've been refusing applications. Please, till I got my hands on him, I'ma tell him I'm too foul. No, he got me waiting. Anticipating, praying to the Lord, forgive him to my long and long. Satisfy my fresh face, but sneak me, completely. All my heart yearns for you. Is he far away? Is he yours? This man is testing me. Help me, Lord, I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby. Where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him if you see him, baby. If you see him, tell him he should have. I'm doing all the acrobatic stunts, zipping my dress at 2 a.m. and I'm tired of living like this. He must be out to get it ready, trying to fix up his tie. Hello, this way your wife this way. Till I get your heart going, I'ma turn it up too far. Much I'm gonna love ya, no one above ya. Pray to the Lord to hurry you along, baby. I ain't telling rush ya. Completely. All my heart yearns for you. Is he far away? Is he okay? This man is testing me. Help me, Lord. I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him if you see him, baby. If you see him, tell him he should have. Tell him I'm tell him I'm kind. Tell him I got brown eyes and a grown fitted. If he doesn't find me now, I'm gonna die. Lose a penny. Hurry up, yes. I want it. I'm like a ring. Like a diamond ring on my wedding finger. I'm like a big and shiny diamond that I can wave around and talk about it. And when the day is to give me color, I can never doubt it. Until death, I do. Is he a bite? This man is testing me. Help me, Lord. I need you to tell me, baby, where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him that my grandma said it. Tell him grandma said it.
Your husband is coming.
I would like a ring. I would like a diamond ring on my wedding finger. I would like a big and shiny diamond. Where is my husband?
Yes, ma'am.
May nakalimutan ka ata.
Ano?
Kanina pa tumatawag si Ma'am Marla, di ba? Nasa
Ano
yung
ba?
phone.
Uy, yung phone! Wait lang. Hello, ma'am. Yes po?
Man, nasaan kayo? Pumunta na kayo rito at kailangan ko kayo.
Andito na sila guys, andito na sila. Sino yung nauna? 30. Okay, so our early bird is Mr. Zaidi Suazo. Wait lang. Ayun, si Mr. Zaidi. Yung last naman na dumating is si Sir Norman. Sir Norman. Ba yan? Parang ganyan.
Buti nga dumating na.
Tapos nag-order siya ng almusal niya guys. Siya lang.
Jules,
Sarap.
kain mo?
Train station yan. Sabi mo sa vlog natin.
Okay. So ngayon po, Ma'am Marla, pasensya na po, hindi po kami makapasok. So this is for Christmas party project.
Wow.
Sa career guidance.
Wow.
So, guys,
Stay tuned!
Ingatan mo yung plate natin.
Init. Ang init. Hi, Bobby.
Gala yun. Sige yun. Nag-gala na meron silang selfie. Every bathroom.
Time check.
It's 10:50.
10:50. Shooting for Christmas party. Career guidance.
Your husband is coming.
Uy, kawawa naman siya. Ayun, tamad na sila. Tao po. This video. Ano sabi mo, Bobby, sa ano natin? Ganap natin. Bobby, makinig ka! Time check, it's 4:13. Kalmado lang.
1, 2, 3, go.
Going back to her!
Po tayo ngayon sa...
Andito pala yung may-ari ng Lola Nenas.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with the owner of all the branches of Jollibee in the Philippines.
Jollibation,
Hey guys,
what's up?
thank you so much for attending Jollibation 2025.
Let's go, Jollibation!
For those who haven't attended, not to worry, see you next year.
See you, Julian! Tapos sila din, oh. Kayo din, hug din kayo, hug. Yan.
You're entering Halaga, please conduct yourself.
Please, pay dignity and respect lang, ah.
So,
Dapat,
maging
ano,
responsabi tayo sa
mga
mga actions
sasabihin
natin.
Oo.
Pasok na po tayo. So, yan po yung note na
Po siya. Bali po si Sir Norman ay isang professional na exorcist. Bali po.
Pasok na po.
Battery low. Ang ganda ng old
Gusto
world.
nyo ba ng 100% na energy?
Ayan,
Shout out sa inyong lahat! From Career Guidance Department!
Sabo.